campground around 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Socrates, Clockorak, Ola Bridge, Clockorak, Red Rose, and Lake Katrina around 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Rampa, Kilmont, Socrates, South and Craig Falls around 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hurley, Livingston, Claremont, and Tilson around 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Norrie Heights, Maple Hill, Atwood, Lithgow, Caspin, Shellfish Corners, Pecama, Broadhead, Burton, and Linden Acres. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report hail size, damage.
And that's the first EAS ever caught on TV.